make logo for textile management. So let's get started. So first of all, take this one. You, you can download it from Chrome, and now you can create outline and right click and group it and align it with go to object menu path, offset path, and write 4pt and simply select it with shift, go to pathfinder and -1. Now it's the logo and group it. TM it's text manage, any textile manage. And now I'm going to take this font, all right, Gothic, bold, and इसको बड़ा करेंगे and create no alter copy it with alter and write manage and now choose this font Gothic, all right, Gothic Demi, and now it's done. Okay, and simply align it with proper alignment tool and create outline. Create outline. Make sure you have proper aligned the letters and the logo, otherwise it looks bad. And now simply taking this and I'm going to take this line segment tool and select it, push it and drag it right 3pt object and expand it. Okay, and it's fill. And now I'm going to take this tool. यार, now it's done and object and expand it and now group it and ये कौन सा vertical align center. Now I'm going to take this and this and this, okay, and like this, change color and your logo of text manage is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Do share and subscribe and follow me on Behance as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.